within Google Sheets, you can share the Google Sheet with others, but you can also control what kind of access that they have to the information. We went over this today in our online course, Google Sheets for Awesome Beginners, but we had so many questions about it. I wanted to share with you guys since this is a helpful technology tip. Just good to know. I love Google Sheets. It's awesome. I still can't believe it's free. It's amazing. And I could talk about how much I love it each day. But for sharing options, when you go to share with different email recipients, you can give them 3 different permission options with it. They can be a viewer, they can commenter, or they can be an editor as well. You can also add an expiration date for how long that they have access. So that way, in case you forget, then they don't have access to the file for like the rest of their life. So say that you are sharing you're on a project with a team and you want to give certain people viewer access. This just means they can't share it. They can't like alter any of the data within the sheet cells as well. They're just taking a look at what it is basically. Next, you have the commenter option. They can give feedback. They cannot share the file, but they can comment and they cannot alter the data in any way. And then last but not least, which is like the most access to someone, is the editor access. This gives them the ability to share the file. It also gives them the ability to go in, add in anything, delete anything that they would like. They're also an editor of the data. So you can share with multiple people and then also give them different permissions. You can remove access. You can also transfer ownership. So if someone, for example, is like leaving the organization, then you can transfer ownership. You don't have to be the only owner of that Google Sheet. So for more helpful tips, check out our fun online class, Google Sheets for Awesome Beginners, where we talk about all of this and more. And hopefully this was helpful for you guys today. Okay, bye everybody.